Mr. Akoli Godwin has led Ogoja Movement Abuja Chapter on a peaceful rally at the Unity Fountain, Abuja, to appeal to President Muhammadu Buhari to assent to the bill establishing the Federal University of Technology, Ogoja.
Our purpose of taking this rally is to draw our demands so that President Muhammadu Buhari, who is the President of Nigeria and the father of the nation, will see to the plight of the people of Ogoja for the need to assent to the bill lying in the table. The bill has passed through the National Assembly and it has equally gotten a concurrence from the Senate. The purpose and the action of the rally is to push forward, to place more light so that the President can see to our demand, can see to the yearnings and aspirations of the common Ogoja man. Before an Ogoja man can access the university, you need to travel up to about 360 kilometers from Ogoja, from Calabar, from Obudu to the university.
Godwin speaks on the impact the university would make on the local government and its environs.
I'm making a passionate appeal that if this university is going to be passed, it's going to create 6,000 direct and indirect jobs. It's going to open up the socio-economic space of the it's going to open the socio-economic space of Ogoja. It's going to reduce social vices. It's going to reduce social vices in our community. It's going to build our people, take us out from the oblivion of illiteracy to be literate persons. Because everywhere in the world, education is the foundation and the bedrock for every economy to thrive. So we are appealing to our President Muhammadu Buhari, who is the father of the nation, to see to our demands, as a matter of public demands and public appeal, to assent to the bill lying in the table.